Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI 12X to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both of them and tapping on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Following that, just open it. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select receive on an Android and send on XIAOMI. Over here on an Android you need to choose no thanks and close this window and then tap on all of those dots on your XIAOMI device. Then tap on send. This way you'll be able to select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will go with only this one file, for example this song. Choose send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing allow in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code, but we can as well open this tab over here, type in this pin and choose receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!